Hi, I'm Keith at Amina Technologies, and today we're going to discuss how to apply the Shim kit. Now, the Shim kit was created specifically because there's lots of times when there is a skim over top of, let's say, drywall. You got half-inch drywall, you got a couple of millimeters or a millimeter of skim over top of that as a finish. And when you put your speakers in, you find that you don't have enough height on the speaker. The speaker is too far recessed and would get too much mud on it. For those situations, and for those situations where we go beyond half an inch drywall and we do 5/8, we have shim kits. So the shim kits come in different sizes. We have 2mm sizes and 1mm sizes. On top of each other, they are 3mm, which is the difference between 12mm and 50mm drywall, which in the North American version would be half-inch and 5/8 drywall. Also, 3mm is 1/8. That's just perfect. So now when we have a speaker that is not going into half-inch walls, but goes into 5/8 wall, or a 15mm wall, we use a double layer of these strips, and these are the shim strips that get put on like this. You see the hole overlaps, and we move it alongside the speaker. On top of the speaker, we take the short 2mm one, align it again with the hole over here, and bring it across. It leaves enough space for the next one to go around. Remove the shim cover, and next one, and finally we do the fourth one. Like that. And you're done. You have now just thickened the frame of the speaker so that it actually stands slightly further out. Do you need more than that 2mm? Then you can go around again with the 1mm on top of that, and that gives you an extra 3mm or 1/8 of an inch of finish. So that's what the shim kit is for. It gives you that opportunity to adjust the speaker to the right height so that you don't end up with too much mud on the front. If you want to find out more about Amina Technologies, then visit us at www.aminasound.com.